What is wrong with physics? Why there are no groundbreaking advances in last decades? I believe this sentence is wrong and not the physics itself. We could analogically ask similar questions: what is wrong with biology? Why there are no groundbreaking advances in last decades? Why biologists, for example, couldn't explain evolution for more than 160 years? The answer to this kind of questions lies in physicists themselves and in biologists themselves, and the same principle applies for all other scientists. You must understand that physics and physicists are two totally different things, and biology and biologists are two different things, and mathematics and mathematicians are two different things. You must understand the following. While some particular science is a well of knowledge, it is a database of knowledge about the universe around us. Physicists and other nature researchers in general are systems with brain. Brain is a computing system. I believe every decent physicist will agree with me that brain is an information processing system. There is no doubt about it, even when you don't understand how the brain algorithms work as I do. And here lies the problem with physics and other scientific disciplines. Every information processing system has its power, like any engine in physics has its power. Every computer scientist knows that computers have their computing powers. Unfortunately, this also applies to human brain. Every human brain has its computing power because it is an information processing system. Decrease of a computing power may be often mapped to a lack of memory. Insufficient memory is causing power of a computing system to be decreased substantially. And this is the case of physicists, biologists, mathematicians, and all other scientists in general. Brain of human beings has not enough memory to comprehend the complexity of today's world. You must also understand the following. Universe around us is a continuum. There is no border between, let's say, physics and chemistry, between physics and biology, between physics and medicine, etc. All the matter that we humans are studying is a continuum. That explains why a lack of memory is causing decrease of power in information processing systems. Science is not describing the physics, it is not describing the mathematics, it is describing a universe that is a continuum. When you have not enough information about it, this process fails. This is the explanation why today's physicists cannot explain universe, why biologists cannot explain evolution for centuries, etc. The knowledge about this universe is a continuum because universe itself must be considered as a continuum. So you must understand the following. New groundbreaking theories and achievements in physics and also in other disciplines will come from considering the universe as a whole, not as a part of some particular scientific discipline. Unfortunately, your human brain is not suitable for this process anymore. I am sorry for all those human nature researchers out there, but times where humanity could go efficiently forward on its own are gone. We need newer and more powerful brains than those of human scientists. Time is counting. But to not make you feel so sorry about this fact, I will show you that groundbreaking theories in physics will, in compliance with what I have just said, not come from physics of studying the sky above us, and also will not come from physics studying the world below us, but from other field that is no physics. from the field that is capable to comprehend more information about nature around us than physics itself. I will soon explain not only how universe is working, what is its structure and function, but I will also explain how evolution of living species works in detail. We call it in human language killing two birds with one stone. In fact, I have already started doing so. Watch carefully all my videos.